The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Baltimore County and northern Maryland until 2:45 p.m. At 2:19 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado near North Point State Park, moving northeast at 10 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Miller's Island, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building and avoid windows. If outdoors or in a mobile home or vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.